You'll have to excuse me, I'm just using my iPhone. Don't really have any other sort of camera or editing gear at the moment, so I'm just doing straight up videos just of some of my 50 or 60 cool little 8mm movie projectors, starting with a Zeiss Icon Movie Lux 8. So I'm just going to do a little video clip on the setup features. It's a nice little simple projector, works brilliantly. It's as simple as undoing this little knob to remove the front cover. Now inside the cover it just has some oil, a little brush for cleaning, but otherwise it's just a cover. The little arm there sits quite nicely inside, and that just simply locks on and then screws down on top. Now this particular cable is really short. It's probably less than 20 inches. Looks a bit like an old jug cord. Plugs in the back. Now in order to... So we've got take-up reel. Can't remember whether it came with a projector. It's a Bell & Howell, but it seems to lock the part on there. Now that's it all set up. Now I've only got one hand, so I'm going to have to wait until I've actually got the film loaded on before I show it actually working. Now the film I'm going to use is to make it nice and quick and easy. It's got a range of cartoon and comedy clips, just the little 200-foot reels, and I've got some home movies, including one that seems to say Olympics, so that could be interesting. In fact, I might use that one first.